Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now, the chicken was seasoned overnight, right? So I pulled it out of the fridge and let it sit for about an hour. When you put food straight into the oven right from the fridge, it will become dry. I coated all the pieces of the chicken. I put it in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes on 375. Now I get a pot and I salt it. Salt the water actually, and when you cover the pot, the water will boil quickly. So right at the step here, you can add your elbow noodles and stir them occasionally so the pasta doesn't stick to the pot. Some people add oil. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just depends how I feel. Now you're going to drain your water. And then once you drain your water, you can add any type of sauce that you want. Today, I'm adding my rosé sauce. And now this is what the chicken looks like and everything comes together. It tasted really, really good. Now I'm topping up my pantry. Some containers were empty, so I'm just topping them up. I'm adding red kidney beans right here. I go on to add some other stuff like tea. I usually drink Tetley tea. What do you guys drink? Are you a coffee drinker or are you a tea drinker? Have you guys also made any plans to stock up on any necessary items? Because of what's going on, you know, there's going to be some shortages of some items in the grocery store. So while they're on sale, try and see if you can get them now. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know how your day is going and what you guys stock up on if you do. And don't forget to subscribe. Now right here I'm in the basement and I picked up a whole pack of fusilli pasta, probably 5 packs I believe, and I'm filling up my containers. There's the last bit of my tea. I need to purchase some more. The last time I did this, guys, with flour, I remember I bought 2 big bags of flour and I was sorting them into these Ziploc bags and putting them into containers. And for those of you that know, flour is very, what's the word? I don't know the proper word, but anyway, a lot of it got into my nose and I had a sneeze attack. It seemed like an allergy attack. I don't even know how to explain it. My eyes were running. I was sneezing for so long. I was coughing. I even almost threw up. I thought I was having an allergic reaction, which I probably did have some kind of allergic reaction. So I try to be very, very careful whenever I'm messing around with flour. So here, I take the labels that are on the package and I cut them out so I know exactly what is on the container.
The door. But what if I told you in verse 34, he says, truly I say to you, this generation shall not pass till all things be fulfilled. This means that when Israel becomes a nation again.
And this is what dinner looked like. There's some fried rice, and there's some chicken wings, and there's some chicken balls, and more chicken balls because the kids love that, and some red sauce on top. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.